Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we are right here in Rajendra Nagar and we are going to know about some exciting projects here in Rajendra Nagar, their location, configuration and a lot more. But before that, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developers. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. At first, we are going to talk about the Prestige City by Prestige Group. You see, this project is located on Shamshabad Highway Main Road, Netaji Nagar, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So you see, this project is going to be constructed on 64 acres of land parcel featuring 13 towers with 3 basement ground and 41 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK premium residences with your configuration starting from 1687 to 3431 square feet. Starting price for your project is going to be rupees 1.5 crore onward. And now we're going to talk about Godrej Regal Pavilion by Godrej Properties. And this project is located near the Srinagar Kanyakumari Highway, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. This project is going to be constructed on 12.5 acres of land parcel featuring 9 towers with 4 basement ground and 32 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK with your configuration starting from 1308 to 3572 square feet. And the pricing for this project starts from rupees 1.11 crore onward. And now we are going to talk about Ramki the Eminent by Ramki Estates, and this project is located opposite to the McDonald's Gagan Fahar Rajendra Nagar Road, Hyderabad. You see, this project is going to be constructed on 7.82 acres of land parcel featuring 4 towers with 3 basement ground, and 1 tower has 30 and the other has 29 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences with your configuration starting from 2290 to 4100 square feet, and the pricing for this project is going to be 2.07 crore onwards. Now before we move into our next project, let me quickly tell you a little bit about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information that you need about the project, like location, and we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will get the EMI, down payment, exclusive pricing details, pros and cons of the project, and a 360 virtual tour of the project on the website. Now, if you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can easily download our e-brochure and pricing sheets from our official website. Next, we are here at Sumadura Garden by Sumadura Brook. You see, this project is located off near Utkur Madampur Road, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Now, when we talk about the project, it is going to be constructed on 9.06 acres of land parcel, featuring 8 towers with 2 basement ground and 14 floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with the configuration for this project starting from 1285 to 1680 square feet, and the pricing starts from 1.08 crore onwards. And now we are here at Dev Signature 1 by Devansh Group. You see, this project is located beside the McDonald's Gagan Fahar, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Now you see, this project is going to be constructed on 3.39 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with 3 basement ground and 17 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences with your configuration starting from 2011 to 3698 square feet. And the pricing for this project starts from rupees 1.85 crore. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about the projects. And if you want to know more about the projects in detail, you can go to our official Housey's website for more information. Hope this video was informative, and I'll see you next time in the other video.